Hi, and welcome to the train today. Today I'll be showing you the new app. It is called the Vertical Task Manager. It's a Chrome extension, so it's free on the uh, Google Chrome Web Store. So if you go there, you can download it. So you notice in my browser here, my Chrome browser here, I have a bunch of tabs up here. Okay, and a lot of the times when you have a lot of tabs open in your browser, you can't really see it, the name of them, especially if you have duplicate tabs or you have multiple tabs from a particular website. So what you can do is you can click on this extension here and you can get a list here. So you can reorganize them here as well. And then you can pick the one you want. Let's say I want to go to Amazon tab, you'll go right to it, Target, and etc. Okay. The other option that you can do is you can also export this. So when you export this, it's going to export a text file to your download folder. And you can see it here, date and time stamps it. Okay. Let's say it's quitting time and I'm leaving for the day. I'll close out of that, and then I come in tomorrow. Chrome by default, they do have a shortcut key. I think it's Control Shift and T, and it will restore your tabs back on. What this extension does is it allows you to restore it by date and time. So since we exported our list, we're going to restore it. Click here. And I'm just going to choose the very last one here, or I could pick a different one here. Choose the last one, and it's going to restore all my tabs here, okay, that I was on before on that particular date and time, okay. And if I click on the extension here, it's going to show me all my tabs again, okay, plus that new tab here. I don't want that new tab here. I could just close it here. Okay. I can reorganize it here as well, okay. So that's what the extension does. It's extremely useful if you're working on large projects and you have a lot of tabs that are open and you want to save that history there. You can export that here, export that, and then restore those tabs when you get back into your computer. Okay. So other than that, that is the Vertical Tabs Manager. And I hope you like it. And it's free on the Chrome web store, so you can download it from there, or you can head up to the website, clicking on this link here, and then there should be a link on the website to the Chrome web store as well. So other than that, I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you in the next one.